Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unbox the Johnson baby products for the newborn baby. This Johnson products was brought from firstcry.com, which is a Mahindra venture company and famous in selling the baby products. So let us do unboxing and see what are the contents inside it. Actually, I ordered 2 lotion bottles and 4 soaps, baby soaps. The cost of this one is 286 rupees total. In this you will get 4 baby soaps and 2 lotion bottles. If you buy separately, single lotion bottle is 50 rupees and single soap is 48 rupees. So totally you will get more than 300 rupees. So this is the baby lotion. So see the 2 bottles, and these are the soaps, baby soaps. Actually, Johnson company is famous in manufacturing the baby products. So many baby products are manufactured by the Johnson company. If you want to buy these products, I will provide the link in the below description. Please go through it. These are the Johnson baby soaps. See, inside this package you will get 4 soaps. Each soap cost is 48 rupees. If you buy a single, you will get for 56 rupees. So if you buy in a bundle, you will get for less than that 56 rupees. So these are the 4 soaps, 4 baby soaps and 2 lotion bottles. I bought it. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe it and like it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. Please subscribe my channel.